Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will teach you about the 13 best multi-purpose Shopify themes for 2023. So a great place to find the best multi-purpose Shopify themes is Theme Forest. This marketplace allows you to buy single-use multi-purpose templates for Shopify. Edit them based on your preferences and launch your store. So the first one is Avon. Avon is a highly versatile Shopify theme celebrated for its sleek design, responsive layout, and extensive feature set. It's perfect for businesses looking to create a professional online presence with customizable options catering to various industries, including fashion, electronics, and more. The second one is Rocks. Rocks is a user-friendly Shopify theme boasting a modern and clean aesthetic. Its strength lies in its simplicity, making it an ideal choice for those seeking an elegant and minimalist online store, whether you specialize in jewelry, home decor, or other niches. Next is the Zigzag. Zigzag is renowned for its adaptability and responsiveness. This theme offers a rich array of customization options, making it an excellent fit for businesses in diverse sectors. Its flexible design and layout options cater to various niches. So the fourth one is the Fast Store. As the name suggests, Fast Store prioritizes speed and performance optimization. This theme is the go-to option for e-commerce entrepreneurs seeking a lightning-fast online store, especially for those dealing in clothing, gadgets, or beauty products. The fifth one is Ella. Ella stands out as a Shopify theme specifically designed for fashion and appeal stores. It embraces a stylish and trendy design, ensuring a compelling online presence for businesses in the fashion industry. Next is Macaulay. Macaulay is a multi-purpose Shopify theme offering high levels of customization. Its modern aesthetics and advanced features make it a favorite among online store owners looking for adaptability and a modern appearance. Next is Up Sharon. Up Sharon embodies cleanliness and elegance. This Shopify theme is a tailor made for businesses selling cosmetics, skincare products, or handmade goods. Its visually appealing design and user-friendly interface are particularly noteworthy. So the eighth is Young. Young is a versatile Shopify theme suitable for a wide range of niches. It prioritizes simplicity and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners and those aiming for a straightforward yet effective online store. Next is Foxic. Foxic is a feature-rich Shopify theme with a strong emphasis on product presentation. It excels at showcasing products in a visually compelling manner, making it an ideal choice for businesses in electronics, furniture, and more. Next is Dopo. Dopo is a responsive and flexible Shopify theme known for its adaptability across various industries. Its clean design and extensive customization options contribute to its popularity among online store owners. Next is Logancy. Logancy is a highly customizable Shopify theme known for its minimalist design. It's the perfect choice for those aiming for a clean and professional online store appearance, whether in the beauty, food, or tech sector. Next is Vodoma. Vodoma is a multi-purpose Shopify theme designed with a strong focus on user experience. Its clean and organized layout suits a wide array of businesses and contributes to an enjoyable shopping experience for customers. The last one is Mr. Bara. Mr. Bara is celebrated for its simplicity and versatility. It's an excellent choice for those seeking an uncomplicated and user-friendly online store platform adaptable to different industries. And that's it. You've just learned about the 13 best multi-purpose Shopify themes that can elevate your online store to the next level. In conclusion, choosing the right Shopify theme is a pivotal step in your e-commerce journey. Your selection can significantly impact your store's success. So take your time to explore these options and find the one that aligns perfectly with your brand and product offerings. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching 13 Best Multi-Purpose Shopify Themes. See you on my next video.